clarinets, and thank you very much for joining me for this clarinet tutorial. Today we're going to be learning bars 5 to 8, 21 to 24 and 29 to the end of Roma Cafola's Hushabye. So let's get rid of some of this music that we don't need to look at today. Let's look at bar 5 to 8 first. And before we do, actually, let's warm up with our G major scale, because as we know, the key of this piece is G major. So here we go, me then you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you. G, A, F, C, D, E, Fis, G, Fis, E, D, C, B, A, G. Very, very good, everybody. Well done. Let's now look at the first 4 bars that we have in front of us. Let's apply our practice routine. So remember, first off, we need to say the Kadai sounds. So our very first one here is a te, then we have a ti and a ta. Can we just try those 3 sounds? 1, 2, and 3. Te, ti, ta. And again, te, ti, ta. Excellent. Then the rest of it's super easy. We've just either got 2 or a ta. Here we go. 1. Oh, and look out for this ma at the end. 1, 2, 3. Te, ti, ta, 2, ta, 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 2. Very good. Can we play all of that on our first note, which is the note B? So I've got G, Fis, E, D, C, B. Here I go. Me then you. 1, 2, 3. Now you. 1, 2, 3. B, 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 B. B, 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 B. Very, very good, everybody. Well done. Next thing, can we figure out what all of the notes are? So our very first note is a B. The next one is a step higher, so it must be C. Then we step up again to a D. Next, we jump down 5 notes to a G, and that's our lowest note that we play in this piece. We've got G and then G again. Then we go up another step to an A, up again to a B, up again to a C, and up again to a D. So let's now sing, let's just say the notes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. B, C, D, G, G, A, B, C, D. Good. You might need to pause the video to practice that. If not, let's sing and mime the notes. 1, 2, 3. B, C, D, G, G, A, B, C, D. Very good. The hardest bit I think about this is this jump from 5 notes down. So we jump from a D to a G. D down to a G. Just try practicing that motion. It's the same motion that we were doing with our arpeggios a few weeks ago. We need to get sure our fingers are all moving at the same time. Can we say and mime this whole passage again with extra caution between the D and the G? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. B, C, D, G, G, A, B, C, D. Very good. Let's try playing it. I play, then you play. 1, 2, 3. Now you. 1, 2, and 3. B, C, D, G, G, A, B, C, D. Very, very good. And remember, we've got our slur between those 4 bars again. And then from bar 7 to bar 8, we've got this crescendo. So we need to gradually get louder. So here we go. With me now, let's make sure that we're focusing on a nice legato smooth sound and our crescendo from bar 7. Ready? Me then you. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. B, C, D, G, G, A, B, C, D. Very good. Let's now have a look at the next two bars. And can you see they are very similar? So bar 21 is the same as bar 5. Bar 22 is the same as bar 6. And the only thing that we have different is this bar, instead of having the 3 crotchets, we've got one held A. So it's held on for 3 beats. So can we just say the Kadai sounds after 3? 1, 2, 3. Te, ti, ta, 2, 2, 3, 2. Very good. Let's say the notes. Remember that they're basically exactly the same as bar 5. 1, 2, 3. B, C, D, G, G, A, D. Very good. Sing in mime. Fingers on a B. 1, 2, 3. B, C, D, G, G, A, D. Now, just like before, when I said this movement from a D to a G is quite tricky, this movement from an A to a D is quite tricky as well. So we need to make sure that all of our fingers move off like springs all together. So let's just practice that movement. So just experiment with that. Just pause the video and experiment with that movement. Let's now go straight into playing this with the articulation and the dynamics, because it's so easy, and it's, well, not that it's easy, it's just that it was so similar to the sound that we had before. So I play, then you play. 1, 2, 3. Now you. 1, 2, 3. B, C, D, G, G, A, D. Very good. Try playing it with me. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. The only thing we need to do is now the last four bars of the entire piece. The only bar that is different is, instead of jumping up from an A to a D, we just step down to a G. So it's very easy in comparison, because instead of having to do this movement from an A to a D, we're just going to plonk one more finger down from an A to a G. So let's just sing and mime these notes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. B, C, D, G, G, A, G. I play, then you play. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now you, after 3. 1, 2, 3. B, C, D, G, G, A, D. Great. Now we have our slur, just like we have for all of the other 4-bar patterns, but we've also got 2 more pieces of information. The first one here in italics below is dim, and dim is short for diminuendo, and diminuendo is the opposite of a crescendo, so instead of getting gradually louder, you're going to get gradually quieter. The reason why it's written instead of having this symbol is just that it looks a bit neater, because it's a longer diminuendo. And the other thing is ral. Ral is short for rallentando, and it's exactly what it sounds like. It just means get gradually slower. So in the last 3 bars, you're going to get gradually quieter and gradually slower. I'd like you now to play it with me. Let's get our clarinets ready and our fingers on the note B. 1, 2, 3. Very good, everybody. Well done. If you need to pause the video and rewind it to practice with this, then please do. Next lesson, we're going to put it all together with the final couple of sections of the piece, and the week after we'll perform the whole thing, and then we will be ready. So please make sure that you practice with this video, make sure that you revise the other sections with the first lesson video, and make sure that you're warming up every lesson with your scale and your arpeggio videos.